Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we are with AMP Freshman Cypher 2024. So I will just go in and I see this one on my recommended list. So I thought, why not react to it? I don't know. Let's not waste any time. Let's go. Let's see what. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. We're not gonna pause too much either, cause if I pause too much, it's gonna be a long reaction. Confident walk. Kings, come on. Oh, that's Kai. What's up, Kai? The Kings. Black Kings walking out. Let's go.
I don't got no cousins. In Alabama, nigga. Your friend was talking crazy, I almost blamed that nigga. Treat her like some Kool-Aid, about to jam it in her. Special rock bottom, summer slam it in her. Beat a blind nigga ass, he didn't see it coming.
No.
Fuck that nigga, bitch.
Sorry, I got to pause it there. He said beat a blind nigga ass, he never see it coming. That's savage.
Summer slam it in her. Beat a blind nigga ass, he didn't see it coming. Fuck a deaf nigga, bitch, he ain't hear her moaning. It's a good day. I snuck in a special ed class and got straight A's. Straight up to the penthouse, got kicked out in 6 days.
I'm sorry. I can't pass this. He's savage. Nigga's savage, bro. This is my first time reacting to this anyway. I never come across this before. Let's go.
I don't got no cousins. I don't got no cousins in Alabama, nigga. Your friend was talking crazy, I almost blamed that nigga. Treat her like some Kool-Aid, about to jam it in her. Special rock bottom, summer slam it in her. Beat a blind nigga ass, he didn't see it coming. Fuck a deaf nigga, bitch, he ain't hear her moaning. It's a good day. I snuck in a special ed class and got straight A's. Straight up to the penthouse, got kicked out in 6 days. Shitting on these niggas, get a bidet. 7 figures, 2 months, throw a parade. Dick couldn't get hard, she thought I was gay. Show you how this firework, like 4th of July. 2 guns akimbo, we gon' slide. Bitch nigga scream for help, like aim high. Pew, 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 pew. You might die. Shit can get scary, bloody like Mary. My hitters catch can't stay out on bonds like Barry. Never duck the smoke, I'm more like Tom than Jerry. Ask about me, nigga, I'm on your phone like Siri.
Yo. Fire. What? Oh, he's good again? Okay. Oh, okay. Duke Dennis. Let's go.
I'm the talk of the city, you heard something different, it's getting ridiculous. Whole time I be minding my business, you gripping my dick while we taking a picture. But you can't do shit without glazing, nigga. Nah, I can't have a baby with you. I'll go bomb for dumb shit, but that's how you know when you made it, nigga. I feel like that I'm in my prime, like I'm Cal Newton, Carolina. If them shooters want you, they gon' find you, nigga. It ain't shit to drop a dime for real. I just gotta find the time, but shit, I ain't really got the time to kill. Really, it is what it is. I did what I did, no point in denying the shit. How about the lamb and give me the ghost? Stepping on all their toes. Don't be surprised, she know who I am. That's why she call me the GOAT. I got a video on camera, yo bitch, while she was driving a boat. Nigga don't come to me asking me questions like, do I know her in there? I fuck a nigga when you know I did. Hey man, that's crazy.
Yeah, he's hard. Rooftop full. Phantom.
I said motherfuck the fame, nigga. I'm still the same, nigga. Motherfuck the fucking fame, nigga. I'm still the same, nigga. And I'm
He's
still
hyped up.
getting
Let's go.
paid, nigga. I get paper, boola, yen and dollars. Niggas mad cause your bitch be tryna holler. Pop a collar, pop V's and pop Scotties. And niggas mad cause your bitch on my body. Back then when I used to dream about the linguini. Nowadays I push up in a straight Lamborghini. And it's not no luck, man, it's not no Jenny. I know you wish it was tryna save your feelings. Back then I was tryna go and save my cheddar. And back then when I was reading immigration letters. And back then the shoebox fit the nice Beretta. And back then my uncles hopped out the green
But it
old
might
Jetta.
be a
Make your
bro.
body quiver, make your shake do the jetters. Discard you trash ass niggas, I straight litter. You living bitter, can't afford your babysitter. Your baby mom's at my crib, I'm straight with her. straight with her, I'm a straight winner. I said every day I'm sorry, God, I'm a straight sinner. I ain't gon' lie, last night I had some great dinner. My pockets keep getting fat, they don't get slimmer. I like Rick with the Margiela. My chain blind so much, I call it Helen Keller. My left hand mace, but my right hand a killer. And now freestyle this whole shit, I'm fella Ella.
Yeah. He's hype.
Hello, wait. It's summer. I'ma surround the car like it's winning. New V, I just got me a sprinter. Don't talk to me, you a beginner.
He's bad. He's good.
4 seasons, and a month and I spend me a bill. When
I said he's bad, I mean he's good. That's what I saw JAMAICA'S say. Wait, yo, him bad dog. Yeah, him good. Don't worry about that, alright?
It's summer.
I'm David, let's go.
Like it's winning. New V, I just got me a sprinter. Don't talk to me, you a beginner. 4 seasons, and a month and I spend me a bill. No reason, I be feeling low ballin' on grill. I'ma be honest, I've been trying to rap for 3 years. It's just not working that well. Hey yo, engineer, try the second beat.
What just happened? Is he joking? Is he flip? Let's wait.
Bro, what is this, bro? Come on, bro. Alright.
Wasn't looking for love, then you came along. Yeah, how we got along? You singing to my songs. How you so perfect, wasn't doing nothing wrong. I was feeling urgent, no, I couldn't wait too long.
He's a singing nigga, bro.
Perfect, wasn't doing nothing wrong. I was feeling urgent, no, I couldn't wait too long. So I made you mine, girl, I made you shine. You was the only thing running through my mind. Only girl I wanted, the others I declined. You did all the right things, girl, I seen the signs.
He's bad. I am David.
Took my heart, and you can't nothing tear us apart. No broken hearts. You do for me, I do for you. You do for me, I do for you. And you can't nothing tear us apart. No broken hearts. There's nothing to do for you.
He tricked the crowd, bro. He went in. Kai, okay, is Kai going last then? Chris next door.
When I say any means possible, it's not just a motto, it's more of a lifestyle. Hold up. First and foremost, let me thank God for all of these blessings. On the 1st of October, the doctor pulled me out my mama. Even my diapers designer. Caviar all of my bibs. Papa, look all I accomplished. On the top of the world with my partners. New York. He just left the mansion. Into the fucking penthouse. Had a helipad on.
Let's go.
On the
No,
top
it don't.
Yes, it did.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did, bitch. Alright. Cypher, be out the way. A&P been ballin', yeah, that back hit like a heavyweight. Told her bring her friends to the top road, we gon' celebrate. My circle on fire like hula hoops at the circus. And the crazy thing is that we ain't scratched the surface. It sound like my accountant asking me what the fuck did I purchase. I met this girl before the come up, cause this was she was perfect. Her heart was colder than an Eliante Nikki. Switch her hair, they feel like I'm fucking on a different woman. Then she gave me distance, so I started fucking on different with the thing I hate the most is niggas tryna put fear in me.
I don't feel you.
Oh, you got a gang outside? I don't feel them niggas. Big G.O.D. I feel the my account get low. My access gone. I still put it on like fashion show. She want love with the fashion, probably won't see her in my future. I'm manifesting, counting the comments. They manifesting Kama Sutra. Go. Nah, niggas tryna blow my shine like a solar eclipse. When I started making money, everybody hates Chris. Steady typing tiptoeing around my name, you ain't make shit. I heard you was up in the pandemic, ain't had paper since. I can use my left hand, I can use my right wrist. Kick my feet up like a Tarantino movie. I feel like Kill Bill, all my exes tryna pursue me.
Yo, they all bring something different. They all, and that's what I like about this. They all bring something different, bro. Kai, your time. I didn't know Kai had bars. Let's see what he got. I didn't know. I don't really follow Kai like that. Let's go.
Heard you got a coupe, I got a coupe, but it's a Benz though. Kept it playing even when she tell me, but we friends though. Basing that, earrings on me, same size as Mentos. Just like Big Tigger, I bring rappers through the basement. Difference between you and me is I don't get complacent. If our cars get adjacent, please don't try to race it. Streamer of the year, next 50 summers, time to face it. If I retire now, I still be said I'm good for ages. Wouldn't wanna be on my deathbed, ain't no trading places. My life full Jackson Aces. Can't fuck with me if you're basic. My bang look just like the Matrix. Inside content just like Agent. Back and forth with my agent. If I press post, they raise the wages. Print up my bros, get open cases. I ain't care about where I sleep long as my do script gets spacious. Bad bitch, you twist my head, came through, they ain't even slay it. We heard the other Cypher jump, just didn't nobody play it. Anytime I told, make sure your ears wide like gauges. Done been on many stages with one song, they still go crazy. Rolling on my wrist, bust, done go exit, baby. You do this for fun, I do this shit because they pay me. Thank God I made it.
He said, you do this for fun. He said, I do this shit because they pay me. Shit.
You do this for fun,
Statement,
I do this
girl.
shit because
Statement.
they pay me. Thank God I made it. I'm the people's champ. And they said I'm stamped. New whip off the ramp. Jumping out the house like I'm vamp. Check my count. Put that on my camp. Glow up like a lamp. And I'm never shy. Get her penny stamp. 2-seater cramp. Get rid of me, they can't. Facts.
Who's that? There must be more coming. But yeah, that still got like what? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! The fuck? The fuck is going on?
I get a lot of questions on the daily.
Kevin!
I think that business question is dropping where you've been.
Oh, chocolate drop, aka chocolate.
My fucking business. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas, I guess this is my pop out. Let's get it. Let's get it. Drop a real rap raw, you already know what it is.
Let's go!
Yo, all this talk about the big three. Fuck that, them not me. Goddamn, my man.
All let's talk about the big three. We know who the big threes are, right? Yo.
All this talk about the big three. Fuck that, them not me. Goddamn, I'm mad. Oh shit, you sad. Well, it's time to get glad, cause I'm back and I'm really mad. Put my feet on the ground. Now what you gonna do but hear the sound? Drop her, I've been a dog. Fuck that, I've been a hog. Seafood, I'ma grab it. Why? Cause it's mine, dog. I am him, you not them. Fuck that, I'm gon' win. W's and not for the West, it's for me, and I'm gon' win. Ow! Damn, it's been a while, I come back, I see your girl and I snatch her. It's mine, I take it, I get that, I do what I want that. Fuck that, it's mine. Kitty cat, now flip that. Beat bops on beat dips and beat tips on beat lips. Fuck that, it's me, not them, I am that.
Yeah, he's going off. Kevin is going on, bro.
I'm gon' win. W's and not for the West is for me, and I'm gon' win. Ow! Damn, it's been a while, I come back, I see your girl and I snatch her. It's mine, I take it, I get that, I do what I want that. Fuck that, it's mine. Kitty cat, now flip that. Beat bops on beat dips and beat tips on beat lips. Fuck that, it's me, not them, I am that. Ooh, shit, coming like on ding dong, ding dong, dong. Shots out to all them. Fuck.
Kevin, that fuck off, dog. Fuck off, brother. Fuck off, dog. Yeah, idiot, brother. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot, man.
Fuck that, it's me, not them, I am that. Ooh, shit, coming like on ding dong, ding dong, dong. Shots out to all them. Fuck that, I'm gon' win. Como say they last say, they cante, they won't they. Onne, kunande, they say that you want it. Ole, ane, come on, otunde. That's different languages, bitch. I got it all, it's in my bag. Fuck that, I'm running now. All shit, I'm getting down. Drop her, the bounce back, and what I'm doing, getting around. Feet on the ground. AMP, I'm with them now. I'm screaming with Kai now, what that mean? I don't know, but I'm in it, you not. Fuck that, I'm walking off now cause I feel like I done got a lot. All shit, big bags, big money, big stags. Come on, man, I'm doing too much. Fuck that, it's got a lag, delay. Everybody, don't move, just stay. I didn't go nowhere, that was a delay. Fuck it, man, I'm done now, I can't. Fun now, hey, Kai, man, y'all finished. I'm on the run now, I'm out. You don't get the mic back after I just did what I did to it. This mic got to be burnt.
Fuck that, Kevin got with the mic.
Bitch, I'll do another freestyle right now.
Yeah. Ah, shit. Oh, my God. Kevin. Yeah, idiot, dog. You're a big idiot, brother. Kevin said, fuck that. You ain't getting that mic after. Yo, guys, hear me I say, please, tell me. Who took that one? Who took that one for you guys? Yo, who took that one? For me, Davis went crazy. Kevin went crazy. Hold on. Davis is the guy that was singing, right? Yeah, he's the singing nigga. Who took that one for you guys? Who took that one for you guys? Let me know, please. Kevin walking off with the mic at the end. That's just Kevin. That's just Kevin. Yo, let me know what you guys think about this one, man. Let me know if you guys want me to react to anything else from this channel. First time coming across this. So let me know which other side thought you want me to react to, and I'll definitely do that in the comment section. All right. Until then, I will catch you in the next one. All right. Peace.